3, 2, 1.
Rock Cycle by Hassan Khan and Cohen.
So this is a rock cycle. We did our slides based off of this, and we started with magma at the top. So this is magma through crystallization to igneous rock. Igneous rocks are formed by cooled lava or magma. Magma is molten rock that is still below ground, and lava is molten rock that is above ground. When a volcano explodes, the lava flows out of the volcano. Over time, the lava cools and forms igneous rock. This process is called crystallization. Magma is molten rock generally as silicate melts with suspended crystals and dissolved gas. It is below ground as well.
Igneous rock through melting, which makes magma. Like if you melt the igneous rock again, it will make magma. So igneous rock can go through melting, and once again end up in the magma form. Once the igneous rock is magma again, it goes through crystallization and back into igneous rock.
And igneous rock can also go through heat, pressure, and then metamorphic rock. Igneous rock can go through heat, pressure, and end up as a metamorphic rock. Then from a metamorphic rock, it will go through melting and once again become magma.
Igneous rock can go through weathering and erosion and deposition to become sediment. Forces like wind and water break down and move the rock pieces. They mix with matter like sand to become sediment. Weathering and erosion help shape the Earth's surface. They are part of a process called the rock cycle. Sediment, material such as gravel, sand, mud, and lime, that is transported and deposited by wind, water, ice, or gravity. Material that is precipitated from solution. And deposits of organic origin, such as coal, coral, and coral reef. And deposition, the settling of materials out of a transported medium. And then erosion, process that loosen sediment and move it from one place to another on Earth's surface. Agents of erosion include water, ice, wind, and gravity.
Sediments can go through compaction and sedimentation and end up as sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are those rocks made up of pieces of other rocks. We call those pieces of rock clasts. Clast means broken piece. A clast is a piece of rock broken off another rock. Clasts of rock are eroded from larger rock transported by wind or water and deposition in a basin. After some period of time, the clasts are lithified. The sedimentary rocks we see today were once gravel, sand, silt, mud, or living things. We decide what to name sedimentary rocks based on the size of the clasts that make up the rock. For most sedimentary rocks, sandstone is made of sand, siltstone is made of silt, mudstone is made of mud, and so on. Sedimentation is the process by which clastic sediment is lithified by precipitation and mineral cement, such as calcite cement along the grains of the sediment. Compaction is tighter packing of sedimentary grains, causing weak lithification and a decrease in porosity, usually from the weight of overlying sediment.
Sedimentary rock, weathering, erosion, and deposition. To sedimentary rock can go through weathering, erosion, and deposition and end up in sediments. And once again go through compaction, sedimentation, and end up as sedimentary rock again.
Sedimentary rock melting and magma. Sedimentary rock can go through melting and turn into magma. When it is in the magma form, it goes through a rock cycle once again.
Oh goodness. Okay, sedimentary rock. To heat and it goes through heat and pressure to become metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks form when sedimentary, igneous, or other metamorphic rocks are subjected to heat and pressure from burial or contact with intrusive or extrusive igneous rocks. Meta means change and morph means form. Heat and pressure from variable causes molecules of flat minerals like mica to line up perpendicular to the direction of greatest compression. Deep variable means higher pressure and hotter temperatures, and very high temperatures and pressures cause the formation of new minerals and mineral grades. Low-grade metamorphic rocks like slate and this word break in flat pieces and have a sheen on the surface. Not crystal, or is shiny, and many contain garnets, starlights, or other mineral crystals that have grown within the rock. Pressure, the force per unit of area exerted upon something such as on a
Metamorphic rock, weathering erosion deposition, metamorphic rock can go through weathering erosion deposition and turn into sediments. Then once again, if sediments, it will go through the rock cycle again.
yay. Metamorphic rock goes melting, turns into magma. This process makes the rock cycle start over. The metamorphic rock is melted and becomes magma. Melting, you go from a solid state to a liquid state. Magma molten rock really is silicate, melted with suspended crystals and dissolved gases.
These are sources. And we also used our brains. Talk about that.
You did.
I know. We're done.